Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually hide your best friends on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to hide your best friends on Snapchat. So maybe there are a couple of best friends lists on your Snapchat account. You don't really want to see them on your best friends list and you want to learn how to remove them. In this video, I will walk you through some of the steps which will hopefully get them removed from your best friends list. So make sure to follow with me till the end. The very first thing you want to do is simply make sure to update the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box, type in Snapchat, go ahead and simply update it to the latest version. After you do that, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you're basically logged into your account. Very first thing I'm going to do is from the top left hand side of the screen, you can see your Bitmoji avatar, and all you have to do is tap on the Bitmoji avatar. Once you do that, right over here under the friends section, you'll find another button which says my friends. So right under the add friends button, you'll see this button which says add friends, and all you have to do is simply tap on the my friends button. As you tap on my friends, at the very top of the list, you can see some of my best friends list right over here. So let me show you again. And you can see some of my best friends list as well as some of the normal friends. And if you want to hide them or simply remove them from your best friends list, you have to use the algorithm to your own advantage. That is that you have to understand that how they were added on your best friends list in the first place. Now, best friends are usually defined by the number of most snaps you send and receive with a particular person. So it basically means that you have actually sent and received more snaps with these people at the very top. That is why they were added to your best friends list by Snapchat's algorithm itself. And if you wanted to actually remove them from your best friends list, you have to actually simply stop sending snaps to that person, and maybe after a couple of days and after a couple of weeks, they will be automatically removed from your best friends list. Now, this is basically the first way to do it if you have enough time. However, let's say you don't want to see them on your best friends list anymore. The very next thing you could do is simply long press on that particular profile's name, and you will find this option which says manage friendship. So tap on manage friendship, and over here you basically have two options. If you remove them from your friend, they will automatically also be removed from your best friends list. The other thing you can do is that you can simply tap on the block button. As you tap on block, it will ask you for a confirmation to actually block, so tap on the block, and that person will be removed from your best friends list. Now you could go ahead and come back, and here on the top right hand side you could tap on the gear icon. As you tap on the gear icon, here you want to scroll down to the option which says blocked right under contact syncing. You can find this option which says block, so tap on blocked and simply unblock them again by tapping on the cross icon, and this way they will not get notified but still remain on your friends list. We hope one of these solutions may have worked for you on how you can hide your best friends on Snapchat as well as how you can actually remove them. We really hope this video was helpful to you, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.